Hi, in this video we'll be looking at how to find the equation of a line that passes through a specific point and is parallel to another line. Alright, so in order to do this, it's important for us to know what is important. So for example, here we have the equation of a line, and we know that we want a line parallel to that. So what do we know about parallel lines? Well, if you've studied parallel lines before, you know that parallel lines have equal slope. And that's very important. So we know parallel lines have equal slope, so we know that the m in our y equals mx plus b is very important to us. What is not important? We don't actually care about the y-intercept. We can actually ignore it, and we can ignore the rest of that equation. What is important is the slope, because we know that the slope has to be equal in our other line that we're trying to figure information about. So now that we know the slope, that is equal to 2 in this case, and we have a point that it passes through, we can go ahead and either use point slope form or y-intercept form to find the equation of the line. And my preference is y-intercept form. So I'm going to go ahead and substitute numbers into y equals mx plus b in order to find this equation. So we have x and y. So for y is 3. 3 equals m, slope is 2, x is 1, and we need to figure out what b is. So I'm going to go ahead and write b there. So 3 is equal to 2 plus b, and we can solve for b by subtracting 2 from both sides to isolate the b, and we get that b is equal to 1. So now that we have our y-intercept for our new line, and we have our slope, which is the same in both cases, we can go ahead and we can put our slope in and our y-intercept in, and we get that y is equal to 2x plus 1. And that's the equation of our new line.